Hey, welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't posted anything in quite a while. We've had a lot going on here in the past couple months, but today I want to talk about what we've done in the garage. A lot has happened over the past couple months, and we've done some painting, put in some new cabinets, the epoxy floor. So I will cover that process from beginning to end here shortly, so stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. So here you can see, as we're getting started, we've got a lot of stuff in the garage that we've got to get out. You can see the condition of the concrete here before we get started. We have taken quite a few things off the wall already, and as you get around here, we've taken down the wooden shelves that I'd built when we first moved in. So those are down. Everything is off of those. We'll be bringing in a pod here shortly that we'll be putting all this stuff in. That way we get it out of the way and we have a clean slate to start with. So this is the pod that we brought in to store everything. One of the Go Minis, the largest one that they had. Here we can see that we're making some progress getting things out into the pod. See more of the concrete floor here. So still some work to do. Alright, making progress. A lot better view of the concrete floor and getting ready to prepare the walls for painting. We were also lucky to recruit my cousin and her husband. In fact, I think they did most of the work. Okay, we have the walls done. All the painting is done. Everything is cleared out. And we are ready for the next step. And that's actually going to be done by garage experts of Southcentral, Alaska. And but you can see they got their work cut out for them, looking at the concrete floor. Alright, we'll set the GoPro up here on time lapse. The first process as they get started is to grind the floor with the diamond grinder. Alright, the next step here is putting the epoxy down. And here they are starting to spread the flakes on the wet epoxy.
Came into life on the run, found on the doorstep of a nearby orphanage. No one saw.
Alright, the next day, and they are scraping the excess flakes off of the floor at this point.
You'll never know him, he is the forgotten.
And now to put the top coat, the polyaspartic finish on it.
No one's side, no.
And now the assembly of the wall cabinets begins. This is the next day after the top clear polyaspartic coat has dried.
Like brother and sister, they were. Out of the two, she was always the strongest. No one's daughter, no one's daughter. You'll never know her. She is the forgotten in the ocean, a drop of water. You'll never know her. She is the forgotten. No one's daughter. No one's daughter.
All right, well, the Garage Experts team is done and out of here. So at this point, we are ready to start loading things back in. But look at the cabinets, real high quality. Each cabinet is mounted off of the floor, making it easier to clean under. Each cabinet has 600-pound load rating, which is more than enough for anything that I'm going to put in it. All right, and let's look at where we're at today. We've still got a few more things to do, but overall, the floor turned out really great. Got our wood rack, new tool chest, our cabinets. I still haven't decided if this is exactly how I'm going to keep it laid out. We've also got some additional gladiator cabinets here that we got 2 of these, and we're going to hang them above this gladiator bench, right in that area there. But overall, I'm happy with the way things turned out. I think Garage Experts did a great job. Would certainly recommend them to anybody, and they've got franchises all over the country. We weren't sponsored by them at all, so we paid whatever the regular price is. Put in a filter system. Gets quite dusty in here when we're doing woodworking. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll be trying to get more videos out on a regular basis going forward. Appreciate it. Thank you.